ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Meghalaya Chess Association haringkat ke jingat lang mak All India Chess Federation kelapin bana bakan sepelong yang lempung elek kai chess kebela tip kum ke first Meghalaya International Open Grand Master Chess Tournament hasai STC Indoor Sports Stadium hanihu keban sedang naduk kakat artrik uno pra araja arpulai bat dia keba on sepen kut haka arpotrik uno pra araja arpulai. President Jongka Association ubak Kizar Mehraj Wajri hakajingkran bat kebati CTB ulayat ho bahak ni kelempung ilek kai chess on ailar banyak shimbenta nadu ki kena kebelakin jo ya kerta kebashi Khusnam shaneng haduk kirang ba kebela khamyau kerta hakaba on sapya yaki la kejong ke kerdan na kebenta ki shinrang bat ki kinthai ulayat ho bikin sadanru ki nang shimbenta kumbi grandmaster nambar ka jilla kata nagi jilla jongka than shatela mingi nagi jilla jongka Doba India Bat nasyabar negeri India, kata negeri USA, Vietnam, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Zambia, Thailand, bat kiwe-kiwe.
Date and email. Email must be neat and clear. If you can't write neat and clear, it is better you write in capital.
Myself Dharmendra Kumar. I am an international arbiter and I am chief arbiter for Meghalaya International Open Grandmaster Tournament, and at the same time I am FIDE lecturer and I am chairman of Arbiter Commission of All India Chess Federation, and All India Chess Federation appointed me here for Meghalaya Grandmaster Open Tournament. So this is about me, and this is very first time when Meghalaya is going to organize Grandmaster Tournament, and of course organizing such a big tournament is a big challenge, and of course Meghalaya is organizing first time means it's very challenging, but of course I would like to congratulate the Meghalaya team led by Mr. Varjari and supported by Mr. Pajat. They have taken a lot of pain and initiative to organize this event here at Shillong, and many IEM and GMs are coming to participate from different part of India as well as from different part of the world, and of course it's a very prestigious event. So organizing GM tournament is not a joke, and of course it's Meghalaya chess players, they are very fortunate that Meghalaya Chess Association is organizing Grandmaster tournament here, and I believe that definitely they will get benefited from this tournament, and I wish all of them very good, my best wishes to them, and I must praise this organizing team, the way they are working day and night and doing all the they are putting all the effort to organize this event successfully. I just have a small observation, the way they are doing all these things. Yesterday night I heard that they had a Zoom meeting with their volunteer team, that how they are going to manage the transportation from Guwahati to Shillong, how they are going to provide accommodation, what about venue. So everything is being keenly observed by this team, and of course I am happy to see the way these people are working, and it's very good for Indian chess that in northeastern region, this state Meghalaya is very first time organizing GM tournament. This is second state other than Assam who is going to organize Grandmaster tournament. So definitely it's a wonderful thing, and all the people of All India Chess Federation and Indian Chess Fraternity, they are very happy to know that Meghalaya Chess Association organizing this event in Meghalaya, Shillong, and definitely this will boost chess players of this region, northeastern region, especially in Meghalaya. This will be very great opportunity for them to have this tournament here. See, if we talk context of organization of Meghalaya and other state, so of course it's depend. Meghalaya is of course a remote place because there is no direct flight from everywhere. So of course either you can by Guwahati or you can by via Kolkata to Shillong. So of course transportation is not very easy, but even though the way these people are organizing and making arrangement to conduct event smoothly is really excellent and at par what I observed so far. And of course All India Chess Federation on their own part supporting to Meghalaya Chess Association wherever required, whether it is technical support or any support, all kind of support is being given by All India Chess Federation. And in compare with other state, if we, we say, of course, the way these people are trying to organize this event, that is good. And some of the organization, of course, they are very seasoned. Like if you talk about Delhi or Orissa or Tamil Nadu, of course they are far ahead because they are regular organizer. So of course there will be difference between the regular organizer and someone who is starting. But we have to think that they are doing first time, but the way they are managing everything perfectly, that does matter, and definitely the people are happy. Yes, I think that of course this is first time, but I believe that the team we have here in Meghalaya, as I said, led by Mr. Varjari and supported by Mr. Pajat, wonderful team they have, and I believe they are getting support from government as well, and local administration as well, and local chess fraternity are supporting, and even local people are supporting to this team. So just we just can believe that of course this edition will be repeated again and again, and of course next year onward this event will continue, and people will definitely come to participate here. I, on my personal behalf, would like to appeal all the chess players that they must come and participate, and they must come and see the hospitality of Meghalayan chess people. They are very warm, they are very kind, they are very supportive, and yes, I know, as I said, Mr. Pajat, he is working day and night under the leadership of Mr. Varjari, and they are ready to pick up any person if they are calling from Guwahati, that they are there even at night time. They are ready to pick up them from Guwahati. And so I must would like to appeal all the chess players that they must come and visit Shillong, and they should enjoy their hospitality, this wonderful climate, this picturesque scenery. Playing chess in such a nice environment is really a great lifetime memory. So I must appeal that definitely everyone should come. If by any reason, if you are not coming this time, definitely you please come and participate next time. Definitely. So actually, I arrived here earlier. I mean, 7th night, midnight, I arrived here at Ceylon because from 8th we had a FIDE arbiter seminar organized by Meghalaya Chess Association. So from 8 to 10 we had FIDE arbiter seminar, and today seminar concluded and now exam is going to be organized. So this is FIDE arbiter seminar. This is also very first time being organized by Meghalaya Chess Association, and interestingly, all the 21 participants who are participating here are from different part of India: Bengal, Andaman Nicobar, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Means even far southern region they are participating. They come all the way from those states to participate in this seminar. So of course, I'm really very happy that now Meghalaya is going to be a chess hub. People are coming different part of India and attending seminar and for tournament. So this seminar was organized for FIDE arbiter. FIDE arbiters means this is the gateway of arbitership. Arbiters are those who are like umpire in cricket. So arbiters are technical official, certified technical official in chess, and they need to qualify through the examination, and then they will be awarded this title. So this is also one of the feather in their cap in Meghalaya Chess Association. It's wonderful step taken by.
Ngada i KM Warjuri, ngada i President yung Meghalaya Chess Association, but nakaliang yung i persiang min penlong kanika seminar shwa kumeningkong, ngadu paratarit hadu shpau. Te haden kani ngin sa donpat saka Open Grandmaster, International Grandmaster Tournament. Kaba kinwan ki Grandmaster na kalengka persai, tingil aya contact, pila tip iway baki wan na bal, kabay one by lake yung ki appearance fee, kabay bam by hotel, ni hap penlut-lut mangi. Te hoak ni as ngungo ba nakaliang ka sports department ru kila era bahay ni, chief minister ru la era, tama PE kaba sonsi pat naka all India chess ru kila era ini. Tama kaba sonsi kalong mangindon tan ki industry sang ni, ni semjing e. But ki ba don ki brio ban ong kata ba ki niarap yang im don. Ki bon ki ayu hang ne tamba ban niarap par ya duna. The sponsorship ke duna palat. Tingir ni kami persiang tan baka dai first time bangin le ekne. Tingir kuat bakan long one of the best. Tu kumbang ilong mangi menta. Borok hi ki akroi bani wan chane. Te tang na ki keleng ka iru la boni. Te ngatarai wat ki kali ni penbiang na Guwahati airport. Ban le shao, ban le bu ndala kut ke game ngini kut aka putarin. Te nakaliang jongi ni persiang. Te tim jongi ya don lang iba kau kupar pajat General Secretary jong ka Meghalaya Chess Association. Bapli hadum na bonsen hadum na inju yo late siyen ila subun kami kini. Dan nadu la shai la sisngi kila asang one lot ki brio. Ini participants ki players. Iwe pe iwe ni happen biang ka Jakarta. No bade player. Tum datang ki player wat ki parents ki be wan sendran langru. Ini happen biang ka Jakarta kiru. Te kini kila shia wat ka team jongiru ki bon sekiwe ki members ru. Ni don ki vice president kini kitai kama bapli ki don ki bana jowai don ki bana nongstein nagaro ki shem jinge e banwan te nakaliang jongi ni ele albala makane kan long hoit na sports department ru I don kong I director kong isyawandaru ila era bahengi nakabenta kan ka tournament I kuloi hibo iya kanono ru the all India ru kila era bangin padadon experience ban angka international bangin yo ki visa inyo ki dollars bakinik bawan na bar ngi hapsi udah dollars the what ka prize money kada yung shisha nilapan hedo life hula ni aga total prize money taba marsin yo iyang iba nilapan kiyo ngi life hula klem ka jing yo bon nang nenang tay Tementara Bangalore kal pengkeu syaka sampula. Tegum takal aslang longer competition. Dengan tharai ni dai yo lat biang. Ni persiang bagi ni poisi sampulu lak. Lanewat siklur kam dan jingwet. Dia ibun ki grandmaster kinwan. Ki woman grandmaster kinwan. Dan kali ang jungi ni ele ikadala bahkan long ka ba. Kawai na ki ba tournament babit. Hoi menang ai ipi kali ye yo kai ke jingi apher to kum shau ki we ki jaka ki state na penlong tang ki sponsorship de ki klor ki yo tingi yang ne ni syele tang na ka bangang yo na ka sarkar ban na ka ICF to ni kham shem jingi ka de kata tengah tarai dakane ngakwa pen sengawi ki sponsor soba nda dei balong yarap lem yang iru man bangi penlong gini tournament he the bon bangi la penlong ni dang sudep of January ru notice te kumbagalong ni ne per hi hade na bodu bat ki khna jumi tingi ai stendori ki khna notice bora ibe kwa ile ka ne ka entry fee ni pelai marstang ya ki Meghalaya ngi kam pelai bon bagi prize money ya ki Meghalaya ro kan long la jong badi ki notice ka entry fee ka don ki bersaw hajar don ki bersan hajar kum ka ranking yong ki tingi yang ne Meghalaya bab ngim dak ham don hoi ni don ka to ni ki rated players tambah yakiru ngi pelai be marstang bagi New York simbantakat ya kan ni Ikin yo alat banyak kendo iki grandmaster, ki woman grandmaster, ki international master. Kan long kajing ayu bakrau iki. Kajing mentoy ken, ba at least ki lau pon poi haka kerdan ki la yo ile kai bat ki grandmaster, bat ki international master. Namangi si ong ka FIDE. Ka world body kading FIDE. But ka All India Chess Federation ni si ong in short AICF ni hele ka bala bagi ni dan bentalang bat kini kini ki arbiter ya ka seminar ni ongi ki wan ban yo ki nom sta penta kita ka prize money jong kane ka tournament ha ka open ka mot kindon kini ki bahaya ki grandmaster ki ayung ibu alpula ya ki juniors but ya kini ki bana notice but Meghalaya ni bo spobla the total kalong life pula the price money ma wat chaw ki wegi jaka ki dang ai arpau tam ni eleven pun kio tamang tharai kane kan yarap dom dei da ba ayu ya ka Meghalaya dei tang ya Meghalaya ki wegi state tu ki penhe gila sang penhe price money te kan yarap i ki chess player